My close friend made more in one day than he makes in a year in his day job. So today I'm going to be telling you how you can get indicators to make this achievable for you. Just watch this video to the ending and you will get it. Okay, let's get straight into business. So adding the necessary trading indicators, I need two tools. So we are going to get Aroon and Keltner. So the Keltner channel. So now let's configure the trading system for Keltner channel. So we're going to remove first the background fill. Then change band colors. I prefer white, it's most visible on charts. Okay, so time to set up the Aroon. So we're going to set the period to 20 for more accurate signals. Change ascending line to green for clearer visuals. Okay, so now we're going to break down our entry strategy. So first, check which Aroon line is on top. So here, if red dominates, if the red line is dominating, this indicates a downtrend. As you can see, the indicator perfectly catches the price drops and it's showing us correct trading directions. So that's this line down here. I'm going to show you now. So our entry points come from Keltner. When prices bounces off the upper and lower bounds, it usually reverses. This happens consistently. So we're going to be using this pattern. Good. So the key condition of our strategy, Aroon and Keltner, must align. If both indicators show growth or decline, then we know we're going to enter the market. So before we start trading, I want to show you another type of signal from Keltner. So we're talking about breakouts of its lines, so both central and boundary ones. Typically, the price continues moving in the breakout direction, and when this happens, we seriously consider entering a trade. So I understand there's a lot of information, but it will become much clearer during our actual trading. Now I'll switch assets and we'll immediately begin our first trade of the day. Let's go. Okay, so this is exactly what we need. Here I'm entering on a rising quote. I want to point out right away that this chart has broken through the clear resistance zone. That's this line here. So the asset has broken through this and is now rapidly growing. It's already approved the Keltner and bounced off it, and Aroon is in the green zone. So we have no doubt about the quote's upward movement. So I'll be taking profit soon, but while there's still time, let me give you a piece of advice, guys. Look, trading is great, but you shouldn't spend all your free time on it. You shouldn't 24 hours of a day be on your computer trading. That is bad for you. So at the very least, you need to exercise. Why do you think all the successful people go to gym? You know, they play tennis, or at least they are out running marathons in the morning. You need a healthy mind and a healthy body in anything you're going to do, because it's important, guys. Exercise is important, and it's not just about, you know, your physical appearance, though of course it's nice to be physically all right. The key thing is that sport affects your brain. It keeps you sharper and it keeps you more focused on trading. So let me get back into my trading. All right, I've closed my first successful trade of the day, guys. Now I'll switch assets and we'll continue. Perfect. It's time to start our trade. The assets decline and I'm already in the market. Let's break it down. We're going to see what we want to watch here. So we're watching for the red Aroon. It's on top and the chart is dropping. At the same time, there's a bounce off. So the bounce off is off the Keltner boundaries and it's already outside of it. Earlier, the price broke through all the lines and it dropped. Now everything indicates that the asset will continue to decline further. So why do we traders need exercise or sports or whatever? It's all because of the obvious benefits. You know, it will increase your concentration, it makes your mind sharper. It helps you notice small details, it enhances your memory, you know, all the good things that happens when you exercise, it applies to other parts of your life too. So all this is essential for trading. So concentration is needed to quickly read market signals. Attention helps you, you know, avoid mistakes. It's an efficient memory tool that allows you to do better and retain new information, which will definitely help you when you're trading. So all this culminates to make you even a better trader. So the trade, and we have here, look, it has closed in profits and we will continue. By the way, good memory is crucial for growth and learning. For example, I regularly post new trends and trading secrets on my Telegram channel. So subscribe via the link in the description below and continue and subscribe completely free and study with me. I've opened another trade. Let's analyze the situation. The asset is declining. That's this line here and the other one. So with the price moving inside the channel, it's about to break downward. This will help accelerate to the top. So I'm confident about this because the indicators continue to signal the overall downtrend. This channel I've marked only reinforces the strength of the signals that I have identified. So now, by the way, we can outline another channel with a steeper downward slope, and we're approaching its lower boundary, and there's still room for it to fall even further. So we've established that spot helps us, retain information better and trade even more effectively. The best part, even simple morning, exercises, when you're just jogging, running, whatever works. The key, it helps you because the key is not for you to just sit down and, face your computer all day. That's not healthy for you. The key is to get your mind active, get your blood flowing, because just sitting down in one place is harmful for you. So look, wow, another profitable trade has been closed, guys. It's time to switch charts and wrap up today's trading session. So I entered the trade on the price uptick, a simple deal based on the green Aroon indicator and an ascending chart. So there's a bounce of all the Keltner midline here. That's this red line I'm showing you. So right now it's worth waiting for a strong momentum to start. The price is expected to rise at least to this level here, which attracts buyers. By the way, everything is happening within the channel. We're moving from the bottom up, so a smooth trade closure is likely. All that's left is to wait for the expiration and lock in the profits. I think you've already noticed that this strategy performs well within different market conditions. It is it's a universal pair that works excellently with graphical analysis methods. That's what I'm showing you here. You can see my analysis on screen here. So if you're just starting out in trading and you don't have experience, I highly recommend that you use this strategy because it's highly efficient for beginners. Okay, so everything here is going more than well. Fantastic, over 5,000 in the account. Time to wrap this up and close this trading session for the day. I have something to share with you today. I have a Telegram channel. I want you to like, join, subscribe that channel, and write to me. I'll be waiting for you. And if you love me and you want me to continue doing this, all I want you to do is subscribe to this channel, get your friends in on this so that everybody can see and make money together. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.